Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and today we're going to be decorating one of these cute copper tins with the Magnolia, Good Morning Magnolia bundle. So I've cut quite a few of these die pieces from Magnolia Memory dies, and I have a cork embellishment from that same suite, a tin from the annual catalog, and I have cut some Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper at 3.5 by, I left it the 12 inches, and I'm attaching it with tear and tape. I have a contrasting strip at about 1.25 inches by 12 and attaching that piece with tear and tape also. I've got a 1-inch circle punch in Whisper White to go with 5 pieces of these blossom petals, and I'm going to use the circle as the base and just stack these up, 2 of the large ones, 1 of the mid-size, and 1 of the small, and then use these tiny ones for the center. And I'm just kind of fluffing them with my finger to make them stand up a bit. Now you also saw that I took my bone folder to curl up the edges to make it look more like a real flower. Then I used my fingers to kind of adjust there too, attaching that with adhesive. And now I'm going to stamp on the cork embellishment with the Whisper White craft ink. You have to re-ink it because it dries quickly. And I'm using the Thanks from the Good Morning Magnolia set. I'm going to ink that up and then stamp it on that cork embellishment. Okay, it'll take a little bit to dry, but I'm going to use some tear and tape on the back to attach it to the tin right underneath the flower. And it's set to go. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com. See you again soon. Bye-bye.